Yeah, I'm just coming in here just to check on them. It's nighttime. They sleeping. Yeah, that's how they looking. You know, that's how you know they sleeping at night, man. They actually sleep. If you are a beginner and you have never grown marijuana before, they are sleeping, literally. Yeah, you get me? One thing we can tell you is that they are knocked out. I really don't want to bother them too much, you know, say light, when you throw light on them, it stress them, but they say flashlight does not stress, brings no harm. I do plenty of research. If you ask any questions, I'll help you. You see my little cheap ass CFLs? Yeah, that's all that's taken to grow this little. It really ain't nothing. If I had more light and I had more soil and bigger pots, this would be a busting growth because some of the beauty I see on this is just overwhelming. And